Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable Google Drive links for everyone to access. So how to enable Google Drive links for everyone to access? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Google Drive application. Select the link file to be set. For example, I chose this file to set the link. Then, click the three dots on the file that we will set.vn. Then, several menu options will appear and tap Manage Access.vn. The Manage Access menu, please tap Change. And then in the General Access menu, tap Restricted. And then select anyone with the link. Where this functions to change the link that was originally only accessible to me to be accessible to everyone. Here, you can see that the general access has changed to anyone with the link, which means that the link from the file can be accessed by everyone. And then, return to the main Google Drive menu, copy the file link that was set earlier. From the copied link, it can be used to send to other people. Use the copied link to send files, for example using WhatsApp or others. As a test whether the link can be accessed by others, open a browser or Google on your cell phone. Enter the link earlier in search. Make sure the email used is different from the previous email. Now, the link can be accessed. That is, a tutorial to change the settings for the Google Drive file link so that it can be accessed by everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.